Here at Immaculate Carpet and Floor Cleaning, we clean carpets, we clean floors, but we have a wide variety of services from upholstery cleaning, car detailing, rug cleaning as well. What a customer can expect when they hire us is great customer service, number one, on a very personal level. Quality, I do try to spend as much time as possible making sure that the area is as clean as possible. I don't like leaving a home without knowing that I did my best. The first process is always making sure that your area is clean. So vacuuming the carpet in its entirety before you even add any solution or any cleaning product. Once the carpet is clean, then you can pre-treat the carpet. Pre-treating is probably one of the most important things to do with a carpet, just because what that does is that breaks down all of that old dirt, everything that's been stepped in, ground in, and gets those high traffic areas as clean as possible. The next step for me and what we do here at Immaculate Carpet and Floor Cleaning that kind of makes us a little bit more special, we do dry extraction and we do steam cleaning as well. So the first step after pre-treating is to agitate the carpet, making sure that we get down into the padding, lifting that dirt, lifting that grime right out of there. And then the next step to follow would be the steam cleaning, which is suction, high pressure, and that steam cleaning does sterilize the carpet and makes it, you could pretty much eat off the floor at that point. What sets us apart at Immaculate Carpet and Floor Cleaning, I would say, is the fact that we are small. There is no disconnect from the top to the bottom, so they know that who they're talking to is the person that they can talk to get things done.